How to ignore messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of app tutorial. In today's guide video, I'm going to walk you through how to ignore messages from someone on your Messenger app. So by ignoring someone and their messages, whenever that person sends you a message, you won't get a notification, and even though you open up their chats, that person won't be able to tell that you viewed their messages. So first of all, open up the Messenger app, and there are two ways that you can ignore someone. If the chat of the person that you're trying to ignore is on the chat list, you can just tap and hold the chat, and this menu will open up, from where on the second to last option you will see an option called restrict. Restricting is the option of ignoring people, so you can just tap on restrict. But if their chat is not on the inbox, you can just tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on the settings on the top right, and you can scroll down. Under preferences, tap on privacy and safety and tap on restricted accounts. Now this is a section where you can add in or add people to the restricted list by tapping on the human icon on the top right. And if you want to know more about the restricted account, you can tap on learn how, and you can see some of the details, see less of someone, hide your activity, and unrestrict anytime. So you won't get any message notifications, the person won't see that you've read their messages or your active status, and the person won't get notified that you restricted them. So these are some of the benefits or some of the features of restricting on Messenger. So just tap on the human icon on the top right, and you can choose the person that you're trying to restrict. Once you tap on the names, the person will be immediately restricted, and even though you open up their chats, the person won't be able to see that you read their messages. So that's how easily you can ignore messages on Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.